we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French brand and company manufacturer of fine crystal located in France, obviously. So how do you say it? Well, for reference in French, this is said as Baccarat, Baccarat. Because it is French, the T is silent at the end. Now, in English, this is generally said as Baccarat, Baccarat in British English, or Baccarat in American English, but in French, Baccarat, so it should really be said as Baccarat, Baccarat. And now you know it all. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting brand names, luxury, fashion, beauty brand names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. Do you know how to pronounce those? Well, you will very soon. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.